guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time seeing those beautiful faces, please kindly subscribe and also hit the notification bell down below. Okay, I want to say a very big thank you to you all for subscribing, for supporting me. God will surely bless you. You guys are amazing. I'm going to be preparing African black soup. Okay, I'm going to show you how I prepare my own African black soup. Keep watching my videos and stay tuned. Okay, so welcome back again. This is my goat meat. I'm going to be using this goat meat to prepare my black soup. I will just transfer it into my cooking pot and allow it to cook for 45 to 1 hour because I want my goat meat to cook very well. So this is my goat meat. I'm going to be adding Maggi cube, salt to taste, and hot pepper. I'm just going to be adding my grounded pepper. I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of this. Okay. So going to be using locust beans for this recipe. I'm going to take out the one I'm going to use to prepare my black soup. Locust beans is also known as a roux. This is my mackerel fish. I'm going to use this mackerel fish to prepare my black soup as well. After washing my fish, I'm just going to set it aside and wait for my meat to cook for 1 hour. After soaking my locust beans for 1 minute, I'm just going to use warm water to wash it. Please, I advise you to use warm water to wash them before using it. But if you have the fresh one, you can just go ahead and use it like that. After washing it for 1 minute or 2, I'm just going to transfer it into my cooking pot and allow it to cook together with the meat. leaf I'm going to be using to prepare my African black soup. I'm just going to use one of these. You can use as much as you want. We just go ahead and cook this bitter leaf for 10 minutes. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't want my soup to be bitter. I'm also going to be using this Grancy pepper to prepare my black soup. I will blend it together with the bitter leaf. This is how the seed look like. I'm just going to wash them and set it aside and wait for my bitter leaf to cook for 10 minutes. This is my crayfish. I'm going to be using this to prepare my African black soup. When preparing your African black soup, you need crayfish. It's very important. After 10 minutes, my bitter leaf is ready. I'm just going to transfer it and wash it very well before blending it. We just go ahead and wash my Grancy pepper before blending it with the bitter leaf. At this point, I'm going to be adding my Grancy pepper. point, my palm cream is too thick. I'm just going to add some little bit of water to it to make it light. At this point, I'm adding 1 cube of Maggi. Before adding my goat meat and my mackerel fish, you can add as much as Maggi you want. At this point, I'll just go ahead and add my goat meat. Mackerel fish is the best fish you can use to prepare your African soup. You can go ahead and give it a try. Wow guys, take a look at my African black soup. Look at how yummy it is. I'm going to be using this black soup to eat rice, semo. You can also use it to eat your boiled yam. At this point, I'm going to add my crayfish. Please, when preparing your African black soup, you need your crayfish. It's very important. Then add your salt to taste. After adding your salt, you need to stir it so that everything will blend together. Thank you so much for watching. This is the outcome of how to prepare your African black soup.